Security Force na sing amasung tampaki mafam singda area domination amadi thiba humbagi thabak leptana chathari. Security Force na Bishnupur district ke Mingjang village amadi Watlambi anige lona bada laiba dampi singkhongda thiba humbagi thabak chathabada yamlaba Khusu Khutlai kaya Fagatpa Ngamkhre. Police ke pau amagi matung inna mafam aduda ngarang thiba humbagi thabak chathabada 51 mortar ama magazine yawa 7.62 SLR rifle ama modified sniper 7.62 rifle ani modified grenade launcher ama single barrel ani chorakna kg taret lumba IED mari detonator yaudaba 36 hand grenade ahum 51 mortar bomb ama 7.62 gi kapayari ba maru ani single barrel gi kapayari ba maru ani 51 mortar fire case ani 7.62 mm gi empty case manga wireless hell handset ama bullet proof jacket ama camouflage jungle boot ama gum boot ama amadi BP iron plate ani Fagatpa Ngamkhre hairi.
Welcome to Millennium School, a paradise for children where excellence meets opportunity, a place where no child is left out and the pride is in its inclusivity. Our curriculum balances academics with co-curricular activities, nurturing its and every talents to face the future with passion and ease. I am Millennium, the school of this era, guiding minds through the challenges of today and tomorrow. Admission is going on at both the campuses, Sagolban Salam Lekai and Patsoi Part 4. Join us and feel the difference at Millennium School.